Hey guys, Aaron and Phil here with Oliver Travel Trailers. We're going to do a quick recap and tell you about why we went to North Georgia for a fiberglass exclusive rally on the Hiawassee River.
So the Eggs on the Hiawassee Rally has been going on for the past 6 years. It was started by John and Melissa Martin of Monticello, Georgia. And they started it just because they have a love for fiberglass travel trailers. John owns a couple Bolers. That's the original fiberglass trailer, first one ever built. And so that's why they got involved with that, and it's been a big hit every year. For anybody that has a fiberglass travel trailer, these egg rallies are really cool to go to because you meet a lot of new people, you get some ideas. They oftentimes will have swap meets where you can exchange parts, learn about modifications to trailers, and they usually have seminars where vendors will come and speak to you about different things that may interest you in the camping world.
All right, Hiawassee, day number 1. We are showing the trailer this Friday and Saturday. It'll be exciting to show everybody this new model of trailer and just get everybody's reaction. So stay tuned. Pre-game report, Phil.
You gonna put me on the spot with a pregame report?
What's up? What's going on?
Just talked to a nice guy named Vince. He was checking out the trailer. Talked to him about the batteries, solar panels, stuff like that. Yeah, shaping up to be a pretty good little Friday. And hopefully we don't get any bad weather Saturday. Vince says we're supposed to get some storms. So we brought our 2022 Oliver Legacy Elite 2 twin bed floor plan there. And the particular model we brought had all of the new features, including the lithium platinum package that we offer now. So really got a chance to show off the boondocking capabilities of this new package that we offer, and just in the Oliver in general. When we go, we typically go to show our travel trailer, but there's a lot more to it. There's some depth to just the camaraderie that we have with a lot of the customers out there. And like I say, we've got friends that we see each year when we go. This year we met a lot of new people. There were 180 campers, I believe there, 180 people. And of those, there were 8 Oliver travel trailers that attended this year. So it's always good to see our old customers and some of our new customers as well. Many other types of fiberglass travel trailers there as well, and it's good for us to make a presence because a lot of times these people are interested in upgrading to an Oliver in the future, so it's good for them to be able to see what our latest and greatest models are.
What's breakfast sponsored by, Phil? Papa Steve's pineapple jam.
We also do a seminar every year, and we'll provide coffee and donuts for 100+ people. Or however many wake up early enough to come to the seminar and eat donuts and free coffee. But this year we did our seminar on Harvest Host, which was really good because there was a lot of interest in that. We had a lot of people that didn't know about it, and then there were people that knew about it but hadn't became members yet, so it was very informative for everybody. One of the great things about this year was we had a customer that owns one of our Oliver travel trailers Walter Williams, and he actually stood up and shared his experience with Harvest Host so far. I think he said that he had the first 6,000 miles he put on his Oliver travel trailer were all spent doing Harvest Host stops, right?
Exclusively.
Right, exclusively doing Harvest Host. He's done Harvest Host stops from the golf courses to the museums to the farms, the wineries. He's pretty much done it all. And it was really good to get his take on it. He shared his experience being able to boondock with the Oliver travel trailer.
I think it was cool that not only Oliver owners, but other fiberglass owners kind of chipped in during our seminar and had helpful tips and just kind of advice on how to either have a better time out in the field or lengthen your time while you're boondocking or dry camping. I think it's kind of one of those constructive conversations that, you know, kind of had in the community of fiberglass campers.
Right.
That was cool to watch.
For sure, yeah. It definitely was cool to hear everybody else's experiences as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it was cool to be able to talk to people who were, you know, really, really close to the area, or they traveled in. That was really interesting to be able to meet people from all around the country who, like you said, were just fiberglass exclusive. And just kind of being able to see all the different makes and models and years of trailers that people use to get out into the outdoors.
Yeah, we love meeting new people and showing the trailer. It's one of our passions, and the Eggs on the Hiawassee River Rally for the past 5 years that we went has been a great way to do that. So we really enjoy it, and it really is like a cult following with fiberglass RV owners. They definitely stick together and sort of travel together and gel well because they have they have a similar interest with when it comes to the type of traveling they do, the type of camping they do. Many times they are off-grid campers. Many times they are people that like to camp all seasons. So that's where the fiberglass type travel trailer really comes in handy.
All right, Phil.
We're gonna go check out some customers' rigs and some other trailers too. Got a truck camper, it's a Lance, we're gonna go check out, and a couple of our customers that have some older models, and some of them have mods, so let's check that out and see what they're doing. A lot of cool stuff.
Every year at Eggs on the Hiawassee, the attending group will go through and award different prizes to campers that are involved with things like best modifications, best decorations, and of course, best in show.
And this year we were proud to watch Tom and Marie Martin, proud owners of a 2019 Oliver Legacy Elite 2, win Best in Show. So that was a big moment for them, but it was also a big moment for us as well to see one of our trailers that we built win Best in Show out of, like I said, 100 some odd trailers. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us again. We're closing out the last night of the 6th annual Eggs on the Hiawassee River Rally. Got a potluck going on behind us. Showed the trailer to a lot of really interested people, and we've met some new friends, got to hang out with some old friends, and just want to say thank you for coming along with us. And as always, we will see you down the road.
Let's go home, man.
Let's go home. Let's head west. How about it?
Let's go. So we're finishing our morning off, coming back into Tennessee, going through the Ocoee Gorge. As you can see, Ocoee, TVA Dam number 2 behind me. Beautiful place. If you get a chance to drive through here, it is worth the drive. Let's go home.
So there you have the recap of the 2021 Eggs on the Hiawassee River Rally. Thank you guys for checking out our videos, and we'll see you on the next one.
And guys, if you want to know more about Oliver Travel Trailers, make sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And then also look us up on olivertraveltrailers.com, where you can learn more about this incredible camper.
Absolutely.
So, we'll catch up with you guys later. I'm Aaron.
I'm Phil.
We'll see you later.